News, we do not earn just about the movie actors, the actresses. We do not earn just about all the blah 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 comedies. We take you to Fresh in the Kitchens. We take you to new songs, you know, those songs that have just been released, just been touched, that people do not have an idea about. We go down, we dig so deep, and then we take out those songs and then bring to you first, all right? And on our new releases, we have a song here done for us by Tetero Lorette, and the title of this song is Mamang. And we know about this lady. She won the Pre-Music 2019 contest after knocking down 5 other participants and won the sum of 25 million francs. This lady has been one of the most young, outstanding, young, beautiful ladies that we know of recent times. And looking at how beautiful she looks, she has just not long ago released this song titled Mamang, and her names are Tetero Lorette, with a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of experience. We say that we keep wishing you the best. We wish that you grow higher and higher. You give us new, sweeter music, and we say that indeed we love your music video. Let's move to the next, where we talk about Slim Hale and Mr. Leo in the floor and doing for us Nobody. We know about Mr. Leo. He is a wonderful artist, male artist in Cameroon. We know about the songs he has done on Va Gérer. He has done so many things, so many prayer time, a lot of music and a lot of songs for us. And just not long ago, we see this release by Slim Hale featuring Mr. Leo in Nobody. It is always good to see upcoming artists or to see homemade artists already taking up to themselves to hold the hands of upcoming artists and say that no, not only me go shine, you have to shine as well. It is good, and it has been noted that just of recent, Kosi, Mr. Leo, Tizi Panchak, they have been so instrumental in promoting and encouraging young, talented, and upcoming artists. We say that keep the good work, Papa, give us more and more inspiration, and keep the young ones growing, because a growth not only for one man. We move to the third, which is a song done for us by Claribel B, and the title of this song is Way to Your Heart. And of course, Way to Your Heart is a song, it's that life hardly becomes how we pray, how we want it to look like. Sometimes the dreams you had while you were still a baby, and now as an adult, you see that dreams do change. Everything does change. Nothing is permanent. The only thing that is permanent is actually change. And sometimes in life, you just have to accept the way things come to you. You just have to accept life's challenges, and you have to learn how to encourage yourself, how to love yourself, and how to be the best of yourself. That is the message behind this song. And from the video, you see a lot of charisma, you see a lot of swag, you see a lot of enthusiasm, and the young Claribel B. And we know about, when you hear of the name B, you know that B is actually from the Northwest region. It's either it's from Com, or it's from Wom, or it's from Bo village. You know that it's actually from the Com. And we say that Claribel B, we are proud of you. To all the graphics, we are proud of you, and we are proud of who we are. Keep giving to us sweeter songs, keep giving to us sweeter music, and keep going higher and higher. Just to remind you that if you are a gospel artist, you stand a chance of letting your music go on air for a lifetime. With just 10,000 francs, you get your song registered on CMTV, and we play your song. We advertise you for a whole lifetime, for as long as CMTV exists, all right? So rush now to CMTV, get your videos registered. With just 10,000 francs, we play your songs till eternity. This is the 6:30 Entertainment Newscast, and just to remind you that we have a rebroadcast every day, 6:30 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. In case you miss an edition, you can always catch up. For presentation, I've been C. Shanta Ndoa. You can call me Shanta Max. Stay with us for much more interesting programs. We have a rendezvous tomorrow for Request Show, Kame Hit, and all the likes. We have much more coming your way. Have a blessed evening and enjoy more with us. Love you.